Good morning, guys. So we're heading out to a client's house, getting loaded up. We're heading out to a house. He's doing he's got his basement, doesn't have enough light in it, so we are adding pot lights in his basement, a plug for his project and a few extra plugs and stuff, and just kind of making it better living for him. And we're just double checking that we've got the material. We've got the box material there, roll of wire, tools, ladder. It looks like we've got everything we're gonna need. So I'm gonna hit the road and we're gonna head to Devon and get this dealt with. We're here now at the house. So currently we've got two lights that are switched with the hall light outside the door. So we're going to 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 pot lights, so that when they drywall the ceiling in here, they can just cut them out and be done, nice, ready to go. So those are going on 4 switches. Those 4 switches are going to be here. So we're going to do a 4 gang here. This is going to get cut out to a 2 gang for 2 separate plug receptacles. And then behind this cabinet here, there's another plug that's going to go in there, and then another plug that's going to go on the outside here. And going to plug up for the projector. So we're going to throw a plug on the ceiling for the projector, and then everything else. So I'm going to get rolling, and yeah, gotta get rolling. So this here is what I was worried about. So we're gonna do a 4 gang here. So the post is far enough back that's not gonna bother me. However, what we have an issue, it doesn't actually fit. So I'm gonna have to grab my oscillating tool and cut out a bunch of this 2x4. Luckily, we're in a basement. None of this is load bearing. Your post back here, so that's an extra old vac pipe that they're not using. But the post there, I don't know if you can see here, the telepost is there, so that won't affect any load bearing anything. Cutting into this 2x4 a little bit, and then we'll put the 2 gang there, and then we're going to put a 2 gang here on this side to match. There's a plug that's going to go up for the projector there, and then we got to put an extra plug here, and then I got to rewire. There's a switch for a light under there. Currently comes up this side, and I don't know if it's got issues, so I'll open up the wire and make sure that it's okay, but I'll pull it back, come across here and come across here, and we'll put the switch right here, right there. That way when you open the door you can actually use it. But yeah, so I don't have to cut this out right away. I just want to cut the holes, that way I can get the wires in, and then before I slip the box into it, I'll cut that out the rest of the way so that I can tie it in, slip the box in, and mount it. I just want to be able to get all my wires in first, because that is the more time-consuming part. So now, new breakers in, marked as 22B as theater lights, and I had 4 panel screws because they're like a 1032, not an 832. So it wasn't sitting super great before, but it's nice and tight now. And you can't tell that I ran a wire across the ceiling here. This is before. It's okay light. It's okay light and gives you, but you get the harshness of the bulb hanging down from the ceiling, which would have worked fine if you wanted to just drywall it and put some fixtures on. It would have been fine, but it was switched from outside in the hallway. So now that's off. Now you can go to, that's after. It's a much cleaner light, a lot more even light. And if you're just working on the desk here, you can just have that. Or if you need to get into the storage room, under the stairs, these 3 are tied together. And it's all set up now for if you want just lighting in the back while the front is off, you can have it however you would like. That's going to make your projector look the best for you. But now I gotta take those bulbs out. I'm gonna take these bulbs out and rewire a switch. So now when you come in the storage room here, you have a switch instead of having to go behind the door. But I'm all wrapped up now except for cleaning up. So we'll clean up my mess, make sure there was nothing else, and